Hello, Abdel, how are you?
I'm good, sir.
Fantastic. Sorry, I was just checking something on the other screen. Abdel, well done for placing orders yesterday. I can see
Sir?
them confirmed on a little order, but nonetheless placed. One thing that I wanted to make sure that we are doing, Abdel, it's to stop placing quantity 10. That's not how a big seller would think. So what we have gone through this during the calls on sourcing, I keep telling you to check the sold, and then you divide that by how many sellers are getting the buy box if we are competitive with the selling price. Yeah. And if there
Yes,
are, for example, 200 sales and three sellers, right, we would be the fourth one. So 200 divided by 4, you would order 50, not 10. Yeah? The reason why
yes,
I'm
sir.
telling you this is because we are now entering the last month that I've got with Martin and Susan. If they won't remove it, if they will not renew, this will be the last month between me and you. So we are all going to be focusing on structure, continuity, compounding effect, and ensuring that you start thinking as a six-figure Amazon seller. Because after six-figure, which means selling hundreds of thousands per month, then we'll be seven-figure Amazon sellers if we achieve 100,000 in sale every month, right? Because then in 12 months, we would have sold 1.2 million, right? And this is the target. And to do this, we need to ensure that we have got stock. One of the biggest issues with selling online is ensuring stock availability. So if you got a product that is selling, right, we need to ensure that we got enough stock for 30 to 60 days at least. Okay. So if you order 10 and you would have sold 50 in a month, you sell this 10 in 1 week, and then you are 2 weeks waiting to reorder, re-get the products, get them and send them the prep center before they go back into Amazon. So we lose 2 to 3 weeks of sales and profits. Okay. So now on this month, we are going to be focusing on growth, structure, and continuity. And it's not the word I want to use, continuity. It is being constant. What is the word, Michelle? Um, Consistency, right? That's the word I wanted to use. So we are going to be focusing on structure, making sure that when you find a product is on the spreadsheet, is on the SKU drifting, and we've got the two SDS going daily, and we got the Amazon FBA going daily, and we got the Ecom Sniper going daily. Okay. And we are going to be really working on making sure that the 12 weeks tracker that I shared with you, it's filled with all the tasks that you need to do daily so that when you come back from school and you start working, you will know exactly what to do every single day because there are going to be tasks that can be done straight away during the beginning of your shift that can take half an hour to an hour, and then the rest of your shift it's all about bringing new products. But the tasks that need to be done straight away as soon as you start your shift are eBay management and a seller central management of the metrics of the account health, all these things, which brings me on today's call. I want you to be sharing your screen and I want you to log in into eBay, please.
Yes, sir.
All right, so go into eBay, and this eBay is on the separate Google Chrome that you've got only for, yeah, only for eBay, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you now placing the orders for eBay as well?
I'm listing, sir. I cannot place orders.
Right. I'll have to talk to Martin to see if we can get that working as well. Okay. Um, so have you run today the Ecom Sniper to list 100 products?
Not yet, sir.
You've just started your shift? Yeah? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is something that I was mentioning before, consistency, because the product must be added every day, and we are going to be doing in UK and in US. So you will have to run this twice, one in UK and one in the US. So when you finish listing the products in the UK, then you're going to be simply switching this to US. So if you click on that, you can see that right now you go select domain UK there, yeah? You will be
Yes, sir.
switching that to US. Not now. Don't switch it. I'm just saying what you will have to do after you list the 100 products in UK, okay? Now,
Okay.
if you click on this little number one there, that's something that is part of the managing matrix. Did you see that?
Where, sir? Okay, okay.
Yeah.
I see it.
Okay, click on there. And you can click again onto, yeah, let it disappear. All right, so we got messages to respond. So this is something that you are going to be looking at every day. So this is what I was saying to you, that these are going to be daily tasks that you must do in order to answer things and making sure that all the metrics are right. Did you click on it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you see my annotations, Abdel? Yes.
Yes.
Right. So you can see in here that that's what Martin was talking about. Follow up, submit documentation. So click on that.
The recent, sir?
Yeah, click on that. Is the recent one. That is the same one. So what they're asking you to do is scroll down. You need to read it, Abdel. We are contacting you. We are contacting you. Go and read it.
Okay. We're
There.
contacting you again because you have yet to upload compliance documents for the following listings.
Scroll down. So it's telling you here what is going to happen in here. Follow a failure to comply with this request will require us to temporarily hide your listings until you submit the required documents. Okay, so we need to find those documents for that supplier, right?
Yes, sir.
So how do we do that? I want you to, so Martin sent us also, before we go on what Martin sent us, I want to show you how to do it. So if you go on the listing, go up,
Okay.
go up. So click on this listing. Martin sent us the ASIN, right? How do you find that ASIN? Click on
I don't
accept,
know, sir.
accept all. Yeah. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Click on it. That is going to take you directly to the listing on Amazon. Okay. So our first target to get those documents, because we can only get those documents from the manufacturer. If you scroll down and you go to Keeper, Keeper, hmm, wait, is that? It's loading.
I think
Abdel.
I'm not signed in, sir.
No, 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 no. Don't do anything. Don't do anything for me, please. You know why it's not working, Keeper? Because we are looking in this Chrome that you are using. This
Okay.
one, is a Chrome that we use only with Ecom Sniper. So I want you to copy the URL from here,
Okay.
and I want you to go on the other Chrome, which is where you've got Keeper installed. Now paste that, and in there you got Keeper, and it's gonna appear in there. All right. So this time, rather than going on offers or anything like that, on data, on the data tab, Yeah, you got product details. Yeah. So
Yes,
in
sir.
there, if you do control find and search for manufacturer, look at that. Who's that manufacturer? Right?
Here, sir.
Copy that. Copy. Copy. It's not gonna take you to them. It's just taking you to keeper. So you need to copy it. Yeah. Don't click on the URL, Abdel. Just click in here somewhere and copy it. Right click and copy it. There you go.
Okay,
Yeah. Go on another page and paste it. All right. Can you see that got that? We'll keep scrolling. Let me see something. 1 second. 1 second. I'm on another screen.
okay.
Yeah. So keep scrolling. You got the information just to make sure. Got trademarks. Look. So go back. I'm just asking you to be curious. Who are these manufacturers? You need to understand who they are. So you're reading in here. You can see that they've got a trademark there. If you keep going up, keep scrolling. We need to contact them somehow. So you need to find somewhere where we can contact them. So from the product that we got, we know that they are selling chess.
Yes, sir.
So it would look to me that this one is the product, the URL that we need to click on. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Click on there. Now, in there, you will see a page full of their products, of course. Okay, but now what you want to be doing is to try and find somewhere where you can contact them. No, that's not it. That's to get 10% off. Scroll all the way down. Can you see it? Just, I want you to start paying attention to pages. Just go all the way up again. Probably I am thinking as if you know things, but you obviously don't know yet. So I need to kind of teach you what you need to be looking at. So go all the way up again for me, right? So in here, in this part, you've got home, products, about us, gifts, learn chess. None of them is what we want. So
Yes, sir.
usually on the web pages, when you scroll all the way down, Abdel, all the way down, all the way, there you go. Now in here, we got information that could help us, such as this one, right? Because we don't
Yes.
care about products, support, now, all these things. We don't really need them. Another thing that I'm looking at is this, because if they don't answer there, we can contact them on Facebook, on Instagram, on Pinterest, on YouTube, on TikTok. Yeah. So if you click contact now, all right. So name, email, and message. So you are working as if you are SS1 Trading Limited. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you would put in there Martin, name is Martin or Susan. Email address will be their email address. Do you know their email address? Yes. Just use ss1tradinglimited@gmail.com. Yeah.
Yes.
Message. What to say? Message. You don't know what to say, right? So open another tab in there. Search for chatgpt.com and put a prompt in there, such as this one, for example. See the message I just sent you?
Yes, sir.
Can you copy that and
Okay,
paste
sir.
it on ChatGPT there?
This, sir?
Yeah. Click enter. Yeah. Right. So we are not writing actually a letter now, right? This is what you do if you send a letter to them, where you put the company name, the date,
Yes.
and in here you put the manufacturer name, company name, the address. We don't have all this information either. So for now, as if you go on this page, check another thing now. In here, usually sometimes it tells you how many characters you can use. So it's not telling us that we got a limit of the characters. Um, you can see in here also, look, if you go down on this contact us page, see you got all that information that is requesting is on ChatGPT. So if we wanted to, on ChatGPT, we actually have all this information on this page. Yeah. But go back onto here because we need an answer by tomorrow. So um, in here, I read customer service. I thought they would have had the number. Sometimes they've also got phone number. In here, they don't
Yes.
have it. They are telling you can contact us only through the contact us, right? So we are doing it correctly. So back on ChatGPT now, scroll a little bit down because you are gonna be posting like put this, like copy that first.
Okay,
Sorry.
sir. Done.
Copy that. Did you copy it?
Yes.
Where do you need to put it?
Here,
Uh,
sir.
yeah, of course. And then put two spaces, enter, enter. There, back on ChatGPT, keep copying. There, you can put after the manufacturer name, but just copy from there all the way until the end, up to thank you for your assistance. So dear, what's their name?
D-A-N-A.
Check at the bottom. Remember at the bottom that there was
Here, sir.
copy that, put it there. There. We are calling review documentation compliance record for product name. So you go here. What is the product name? Or is it in eBay that we should get it from eBay really?
This, sir.
No, I don't like that one. Go back into Amazon. Copy. You just use your common sense. What would you think you need to copy? Not the entire. You don't need the entire title, right? I would just
Yes.
copy ANA 15 magnetic wood and chess set. That's all I would copy. Now replace that with the brackets
Okay.
with that you just copied and remove set model number and all that. Right? Keep reading it. Is everything right now? You can request you provide the following document PDF. Declaration conformity for the above mentioned product, all relevant report certification demonstrating compliance with applicable decree. Remove all this bit. That isn't, it's not requesting you all this. We are already declaration conformity. Right. So wait a minute, Abdel. Go back all,
Yes, sir.
all the way on the top. What is eBay requesting? Test reports, right? Declaration of conformity and test reports in PDF format. So in here, the following document in PDF form, declaration of conformity and
And
in here and
this, sir.
yeah,
Okay.
right. Scroll down. 2. Put your email address there. What is it? SS?
11 ISS11 LTD. Wait, let me see.
Yeah, just copy and paste it. Mm-hmm. Send message. Hang on a minute. Wait. After this, there is nothing else underneath it. No? No.
Nothing.
Right. Now you can send a message. So
Okay.
now we could actually, before we send it, you could copy it all. Copy it
Okay.
all. Yeah, copy it from here all the way down. You copy it.
Yes, sir.
Now send a message, please. Your message has been sent. So can you go back into the chat?
Chat here in.
No, in the chat, Lark, please.
Okay.
And can you tag Martin and Susie?
Okay, sir, done.
Yeah.
I will paste it.
Just say, put two spaces, press shift, press the shift button and two spaces. Shift, enter, enter.
Shift, enter.
Shift, the button shift, enter, enter, right? Paste it, Control V. Now go all the way up and put your mouse here and just type hello Martin, Susan, as per Manus training today, I have sent the following to
What is it, sir?
as per Manus training today, as per Manus training today.
Okay, as per.
Yeah, thank you. I like when it says sir.
Okay, sir. And
I have sent the below letter,
sent a.
the below letter. We don't need a there. To the manufacturers of the product for which you received, to the manufacturer of the product for which
Manufacturers of the products.
for which
Which
yeah, you have received the performance notification. No, don't need the dot there up there. For which you have received the performance notification on eBay.
the performance
Yeah, notification on eBay. Dot. Dot. Now shift, enter, enter. Press shift and press enter twice. Right. I want you to go back on the website that you contact.
Done, sir.
Go back on the website there. So you click in there, right? And I want you to
Here, sir.
I want you to copy the entire URL. Yeah.
And paste it.
Yeah. Just say this is the web. Can I take control, Abdel? Paste that for me. Did you paste it?
Okay, sir.
Let me take control because I think I'm a bit
Yes, sir.
faster on typing.
Tapos,
What's this? So we're getting as much information as possible about these people to put in here if we need to contact them again, right?
yes, sir.
So we got the Facebook account, we got the Pinterest account. I'm gonna go on the TikTok account because usually on Pinterest or thingy people don't. So we just got a few of them so that if they fail to respond to this contact request, we have got other places where we can contact them. Go. This is the manufacturer contact form that I have used. Right, and send, right? Okay, so now we have got all the things they say, oh, I have used the name of Martin and email ss11 trading limited at gmail.com, right? Okay, now on the same note, Abdel, on ChatGPT, now you have find out from as we said for today's training, what I wanted to do with you because sometimes you will find the products that are selling well. You haven't got. Let me see if I can delete all this. Annotate clear. Right. As for today's training again, imagine now. So this one was for a compliance issue. Okay. So you are learned today on how to use ChatGPT to, create a standard letter for a formal request. So you also learned how to find the manufacturer details, how to contact the manufacturer, and using ChatGPT to get information such as legal documents or requesting to become an authorized distributor, and what to ask to become. So let's say that you got a product. So have you got Amazon open? Yeah. Right. Oops. This one I want. So on Amazon now, and I want you to be really, really careful now. Okay? Look, sorry, if you was listening, you can find that product again, don't you? So if I go into the orders and manage orders, one thing that you noticed in here is that you have got all orders pending and canceled, but obviously you want the ones that are selling the most. But what I'm trying to draw your attention to, we are now onto the FBA products, right? You can see if you click in here, you can see if you received any fulfilled by merchant products, which you haven't yet. So I'm gonna go back into the FBA orders. That is the FBM orders is something that you will have to check every day. This is why in the next month we are gonna go through really structure and daily tasks so that you know exactly what to do every single day. Okay. But when I start what do you call it? When I start scrolling, can't talk today. You'll see patterns, right? Look at this one. You've seen it twice already. We saw the one above twice, I think. One, two, look, KMS. And you saw, I don't know, if you keep scrolling, you will see a lot of patterns, especially if you pull more products, because I like to have, I don't like scrolling too many pages. You will see patterns of products that are continuously selling, right? So if I wanted to restock, for example, I saw this Maybelline now. Let's have a look if you see. This one seems like one of them that is selling quite often. I'm gonna click on it. Jovan sex appeal, whatever that is. We are gonna go and do the same thing. And already from the title in here, you can see that the brand is Jovan, right? So potentially I could go in here, manufacturer of Jovan, right? Let's have a look what that brings. It says in here that it's Coty Beauty, right? But let's have a look what is saying on Keeper. So we're gonna scroll now in here very quickly and go here to do the same thing that we did when we needed to find the manufacturer. So on data and product details, when we scroll, we'll see the manufacturer in here saying Jovan, right? Brand Jovan. So I don't know if this is somebody that has actually created the listing, but we're gonna go on there because in here it says Coty Beauty. Brand of fragrance is Coty Beauty. Jovan consumer brand, Coty. Right, so if we, and in here on Wikipedia is actually the one that I prefer on all of them because it gives you the history of the company. And when you click on Wikipedia, it actually tells you a lot more information that you will get from any other website. How's the brand grown? But usually tells you official website. So if we go there, we need to also ensure that that website, I don't know why it's doing that. Your connection for this site is not secure. It's not letting you do it. So if I go on an incognito window, let's see if that works. Paste that. No, it doesn't let you do it. Let's have a look at another side then. It's really strange. I don't know if it's because you are in the Philippines and it will recognize that you're not there. So I'm gonna go back in there and I'm gonna try Coty now. So Jovan consumer brand. Again, as we did before, you need to find contact us. And usually the contact us is always, where is it? Where is it? The contact us. Where did we find contact us before, Abda?
Yeah.
At the bottom.
Try to scroll down, sir.
Yeah. So if I scroll all the way down at the bottom, what do I find in here? Again, contact us. So let's have a look what we're going here. Look, in here you go now. Amsterdam, New York, Paris, other locations, customer inquiries. Hopefully we find either an email that we can contact or the form like we did before. In this case, the only way that we can contact them seems to be via phone. or let me see if we got an email address in here. All the Coty locations. Now send us your feedback by clicking in there, or contact our customer services. Look, they got a phone number in there. So in this case, I cannot find an email. There you go. There is an email. So we could start from here. Right, so now that we got an email, and you got access to one of Martin's emails, right? So you will use that email, and again, you're gonna go to ChatGPT, and you ask ChatGPT, how can I ask a manufacturer? Or you say, please write. So you need to be really good at asking the prompt. Please write a convincing email to ask a manufacturer to become their authorized distributor. Distributor. You see this? So, Abdel, have I got your full attention? Yeah? This is the letter that you would complete with all the right information. Yeah? And you would send an email with to become their authorized distributor. They probably come back saying that they're not getting any further distributors now, yeah? Because this
Yes,
is
sir.
what happens many times, right? Go back in the chat in here. What to ask to become a reseller. Sometimes they say, no, you can't. Yeah?
Okay, sir.
So in that case, you would reply by saying, let me just stop sharing because this is just instructions that you do. So when they reply that they cannot allow you to become their distributor, you say, okay,
Okay.
that's totally fine. Would you be able to guide me to your authorized distributors so I can buy your your authentic products directly from your distributors? And they will send you a list of distributors. When they will send you a list of distributors, when you contact them, you will have to ask for their catalog, which will need to contain the title, the cost, and the UPC code or the EAN code. Those are the only three informations that we need: cost, title, UPC code. That will
Okay,
allow
sir.
us to then scan the products and put them in our catalog. Yeah?
Okay, sir.
So we are gonna go through this in more details next week. For now, I'm just gonna close the call for now because I think you've got enough information there. But going
Okay, sir.
forward, you will be doing all the performance things.
Okay,
So
sir.
both on eBay and on Amazon, we are going to be doing that. So if you go back onto eBay and share your screen for me.
Here, sir.
Yeah, in there, is there a way to reply to that? To reply? Is there a way to reply to it? Abdel,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Check if
Wait
you can
up.
reply to it.
Let me check. It's just submit documents, sir. What's this? No, it's not.
So in here, no, don't mark as unread. No, 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 don't tick on any of them. So in here, click on declaration of conformity. I tick on both of them. You need to be curious of that. What is it that they want? So in here, you start reading all this information, what they want, right? Because when you
Yes.
reply, you need to tell them, I've just read your instructions for the whatever it was, this document that you clicked on. Okay. In this case, they want CE marked products. And also, if you copy, if you just go back into eBay for me. Yeah, yeah. If you copy, go on ChatGPT and say, can you give me the declaration of conformity for product?
In ChatGPT?
Yeah, go on ChatGPT and ask, can you give me the declaration of conformity for?
What, sir?
For the product up there. For the product, not for the product. What is it that you're getting it for up there? This is the product, right?
Yes.
Hey, so no, not that. Copy from Amazon. A 15 magnet wooden. Yeah, for. Yeah, need to be specific.
All the titles, sir.
No, you don't need to get all the title up there. Just
Okay.
AA5 wooden glass chest. Remember, on Amazon, people put a lot of keywords so that it gets found, and paste that there. Searching the web. Look, maybe they find it. I'm sorry, couldn't find it. If you like, can I draft a formal request email to the manufacturer of the dock and associated test report in PDF form. So you cannot find it on the web. So we need to still wait for the manufacturer to send us that. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Any questions on today's call, Abdel?
No, none, sir.
Did you understand everything?
Yes, sir.
Because you might need to rewatch this because you will be the one managing all the performance notifications. Okay. And in
Okay,
this video, you got how to do it. All right, Abdel. If I don't
okay,
see you
sir.
tomorrow, have an amazing weekend and I'll catch up with
See you
you next week.
tomorrow,
Okay.
sir.
See you later. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.